Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Ko-Fi not working issues. If your page is not loading, buttons aren't responding, payments are failing, or the dashboard is stuck, don't worry. These are common issues, and there are several simple fixes you can try step by step in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Ko-Fi from loading properly or cause parts of the site to break. Next, refresh your browser. Sometimes Ko-Fi just fails to load correctly due to temporary glitches, and a simple refresh fixes it instantly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted cache files can stop websites like Ko-Fi from working properly. Next, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block scripts that Ko-Fi needs to function correctly. If the issue continues, try using another browser. Switching from Chrome to Firefox or Edge can help you figure out if the problem is browser-related. Now check if Ko-Fi is down globally. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all, and the platform itself may be experiencing temporary issues. Finally, make sure your browser is updated. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues that affect how Ko-Fi works, and that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Ko-Fi not working issues in 2026. Hopefully one of these solutions helped get your account working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.